My name is Eugene Ugiagbe. I'm a citizen of Ireland and I have a degree in law. And since leaving college, I have been involved in waste plastic. Recently, the World Economic Forum reported that the problem of waste plastic is causing huge environmental problem, and that very soon waste plastic will outnumber fishes in the ocean. The report added that waste plastic we have found in the bellies of some fishes, which could pose health hazard to humans. And since humans eat fishes, that will cause danger to human beings. Fortunately, our partners in the US have developed a patented technology which can convert all types of waste plastic to fuel. Aviation fuel, diesel, cooking gas, which we call LPG. These fuels that we will produce are 99.9% free of carbon emission. That way, we are able to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and pollution from the environment. Right now, we are seeking Series A funding to establish a commercial plant in Ireland or in UK. We have also been authorized by the technology provider to establish commercial plants anywhere in Europe when we can find funding.